what do you mean when you say we're solving the problem at face value?
Yeah, so the problem is, how do you target an ad to someone who doesn't want to be tracked? And I think a lot of the approaches we're seeing out there to sort of post-cookie targeting start with this: I'm losing the cookie. What can I do instead? What can I do to replace the cookie? How can I get that information about the user without the cookie? And we start to think about, can we get people to opt in? Is there a way to sort of figure out stuff about them even if they haven't opted in? And this approach doesn't do any of that. So we're solving the problem at face value in the sense that we don't know who the user is. We don't care who the user is. We're not going to try and figure out who the user is. Instead, we're going to focus on that moment, that inventory moment, that moment of the impression, and whether or not that's a good moment, a valuable moment for the advertiser to show their ad to the person on the other side of the screen. And what we found is, once you let go of trying to figure out who that person is, then you can really focus on the moment, and it allows us to really focus all of our AI and machine learning on bringing as much information to bear as possible on whether or not that's the right moment to show the ad.